Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'll answer the question, why does your earbuds Galaxy Buds 2 keep disconnecting? So firstly, I recommend to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, just put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. Then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Next one, if it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset, and we have two options how to perform it. The first one, we can use an application or we can use it manually without application. So let's get started with use the application. Open Galaxy Wearable, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Right here, you need to scroll down and go to earbuds settings. At the bottom right here, we have reset, and you need to click this line. Then click reset. Now it removes your earbuds from your phone and from the application. So then we need to reconnect it. You need to go to the settings and then to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now let me show you how to do this manually. So to do this manually, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold both of the touch areas. Touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds between two microphones. So you have dot at the top and dot at the bottom, and between them we have touch area. So you just put it, press and hold until the LED lights start blinking green and red. And then you remove your earbuds from your phone. So you click the information icon or settings icon and then remove it, remove device or remove this device, and then reconnect it. So it enters operating mode automatically, and you don't need to do nothing, just tap, like right now what I'm doing, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list and then click pair. Then we need to reconnect these earbuds with the application. So open Galaxy Wearable, click start, tap at your earbuds here, and then click skip. Or you can sign in into your account, it's up to you. Right here we need to click agree, and we did it. If it also didn't help you, I have one more option for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then we will move to Apple device. And I will show you how to do this on the Pixel phone, because these devices have stock Android, and a lot of Android phones are different, so this is like something middle. So on your Android, go to the settings, and then you need to scroll down and find accessibility. On my phone, it's located at the bottom. No, sorry, we don't need to find accessibility, we need to find system. Yeah, and just click on it, then scroll down again. And at the bottom we have reset options. Click on it, and right here we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap on it also and click reset. But once you did it, you will totally remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So that's it for Android. And now let's move to Apple device. So on your iPhone, go to the settings. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, and then you need to go to the general settings. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click reset, and you need to select reset network settings. We cannot reset only Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings like on Android, but just network settings. Click on it, then write your password and click reset network settings. But once you did it, you will remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!